Hey y'all, we're back, and this time we are starting a trip this week at Cedar Point, okay? So guess where we are staying?
The Breakers.
The Breakers! I'm so excited to be staying at Hotel Breakers at Cedar Point.
Even if we got a parking lot view.
We do. I'll show you the view in a minute. Well, you could consider it theme park view. But we're going to do a little room tour, and probably in a separate video I'll show some around the hotel and everything. We're super excited, like I said, about staying here, and yeah, I can't tell you how excited we are.
Yeah.
Very excited.
Very excited.
First time.
Yeah, this is first time even being here.
Yes, Chris's first time at the park all together.
Which is only our third time ever being here.
Yeah.
I can't stop looking at it, it's just right out this window.
So anyway, let me just do a little short video, show you the room and the amenities here in the room. We'll be sharing a bunch of stuff from this week, but another one we'll, take a walk around the resort. We're right on the lake, on Lake Erie, on the beach. We'll show some out there, but this is just gonna be a short room tour. When you first walk in the room, we have some storage area right here, which, yeah, we've already got some stuff hanging up there. They've already come in and dropped our stuff off, but got the ironing board area, safe, little place to hang some stuff, hangers there. So plenty of little cabinet and storage space, and I actually got a little mini fridge with an actual freezer. Ooh, an actual freezer as well. Microwave, and they actually already have your pool towels up here in the room for you. To the other side, when we come in the door, is the bathroom. So we do have hair dryer, towels, all that good stuff in here. Hey. So a little Cedar Point artwork there. We have a shower tub combo. And looks like they have some little hangers up there for towels or wet swimsuits, whatever. Alright. And well, this is basically the standard room, okay? So we got 2 queen beds, got a chair over there. Looks like we got some charging areas. Storage space here. And we'll get over there to the view in a minute. But we have a little desk with some chairs, with some other charging areas over there, TV, and our dresser with 3 drawers. And this is the view we got. We are on the 2nd floor. I think it's 2557. I'll correct what room number we're in. I probably already forgot it. So we do have a little bit of a theme park view, which is great. We can sit in here and watch the coasters running. Now this room we had actually booked through a coaster club event that we are attending this week. So this is just the standard room, which is what they offered with the group rate. But yeah, I have no complaints whatsoever. I can say that, of course I would like to come and have the patio with the lake view, but this is definitely plenty of room in here, storage space, everything else. So we're gonna have a great week. Let me get that room number for you, and I'll tell you which room number it is. So it was room 2557, and again, this was just like a standard room because we did get it with a group rate where we are doing CoasterCon this week with Ace. So I'll just go ahead and throw that in. There will be a lot of stuff coming, that we'll be able to share from there. It's a coaster club, aceonline.org, check them out. But yeah, we're getting to stay here this week with that group rate. Thanks for joining us for this little short room tour, and like I said, we'll have a lot of stuff coming up that we'll share, and we're gonna get unpacked and get over to the park.
Japanese.
Oh, Tyler says we're going to eat Japanese.
Yes.
in the hotel tour, we'll share. They have some restaurants here at the Breakers. One of them is the hibachi.
My favorite kind of food.
A Japanese place. We said we were just going to eat at the park on our passes, but we passed by.
While the park is like extremely busy from what it looks like, we're gonna go eat some Japanese.
When I do the hotel tour, you'll see it in the little window. You walk by, you see them cooking, so I think it tempted us. But anyway, we'll see you on the next one.
Bye.
Bye.